Welcome back, you're with Goa 365. The life of a seafarer is filled with unending adventure as he traverses the oceans from port to port, contending with the challenging miles of deep blue sea and taking in the breathtaking sights of the continents along the way.
Goa 365 spoke to Lodwig Brust, an electrical engineer by profession who took up sailing as a hobby and is presently a participant of the Vasco da Gama Yacht Rally. Mr. Brust, who sailed to Goa from faraway Turkey, spoke to our reporter about his experience along the way.
For navigation, we have the most important thing is just the GPS, Global Position System, connected on your computer with the maps, so you can see where you are sail, what are the water depths, and so also we have a radar for the safety and an automatic identification system, so other ships and authorities can spot you, and that are the most important things for the yachts.
Navigational skills are of utmost importance when one is out at sea, and sailors in the days of yore used the well-known dots and dashes, Morse code, and semaphores or flag signs to communicate with fellow sailors or home base whilst they were out in the choppy seas. Modern-day sailors, however, use satellite phones and the internet to connect to the rest of the world while at sea, with the mariner's compass being a navigational tool that has never gone out of use. Lodwig Brust spoke to Goa 365 about the latest tools and equipments used by sailors to navigate the oceans today, as he also elaborated on the yacht he is sailing in.
We have this over there, this the head sail, and here the main sail with the boom. All these sails are just furling. That means I can, with the winches like here, like this one, can stretch the sails and I can furl it, make it smaller, make it bigger. So it is very important for a single-handed sailor that you could do all the works here from the cockpit. So I have not to go to the foredeck, and if you know it is not very complicated.
Mr. Brust believes that India has a tremendous scope for promoting yachting in its waters.
Sailing is this a completely new sport in India, special yachting, and it is now improving, and slowly also in Goa yachting becomes a little bit to an activity what you will see, and we have now the docking here, a temporary docking for the yachts, and we hope that it will improve more in the future, so more yachts can come in, not only international but also local yachts.
Sailing is a sport that does not permit the slightest mistake, and Lodwig Brust detailed the qualities required to be a first-class sailor.
The most important is this, of course, the experience. The sea will never allow you to make mistakes. So you have to control all, you have to the handlings to do it by yourself, and very strict.
Festivities such as Dinatrayodashi, Narak Chaturdashi, Lakshmi Pujan, Padwa, Dandlo and Bow Beach are all a part of the Festival of Lights, Diwali, with Padwa being an exceptional celebration involving cattle.
People perform rituals that include a puja of the cattle during Padwa, as the cattle are then fed the traditional pore. Speaking to Goa 365, Gopinath Gowde explained the significance of the Padwa festival.
गोरवांनी जर हे काम केलें ना शेतां वाटांनी जाल्यार ही शेतां पिकोवंक शकना. वर्सभर ही गोरवां आमच्या खातीर त्रास काडटा, आनी त्या खातीर आमी तेंची माया करता, आनी आयचो दीस हो पाडवो म्हणून साजरो करून तेंची पुजा करता. तांकां आमी न्हाणयता, धुणयता आनी गन फूल करता.
Renowned Konkani writer Pundalik Naik detailed the importance of cattle during the Padwa festival.
आमचो देश हो शेतकी प्रधान आशिल्ल्यान हांगासर शेता बरोबर गोरवांचें म्हत्व खूब चड, आनी तातूंतल्यान सगळो शेताचो भरीभार गोरवांचेर, गोरवां वासराचेर अवलंबून आशिल्ल्यान मोनजातीक म्हळ्यार गोरवांक खूब म्हत्व. वर्सूय भर काबाड कश्ट करपी ही गोरवां, तांकां एक दीस विसव मेळचो आनी तांच्या श्रमाचें कौतूक जावचें आनी तांच्या श्रमाची समाजान कदर करची, ताजे खातीर ह्या उत्सवाची वा परबेची निर्मिती आनी त्या दिसा गोरवांक धुवप, न्हाण घालप, गंध फूल घालून देवा भशेन तांची पुजा करप. त्या दिसा चुकून सुद्दां तांचेर बडी मारप ना, तांकां मारप ना आनी तांकां खावपा खातीर पोळे एक वेगळे जिनस दिवप आनी गोरवांचो एक तरेचो हो सन्मान म्हळ्यार गोरवांचे संस्कृतीचो एक तरेचो हो सन्मान आशिल्लो.
On the day of Padwa, the ritual of Denlo is performed, wherein a procession of Sri Krishna is taken to every household in the locality. Families make a florally decorated shed of cow dung in front of the holy tulas in their courtyards, within which is placed wild cucumbers to signify cattle, and a cow herd made of grass or cotton to portray Lord Krishna. This is then followed by a puja performed by the women of each house. Speaking to Goa 365, Prashant Palkar elaborated on the Denlo celebration.
पाडव्याच्या दिसा आमी देणल्याचो उत्सव मनयता. त्या दिसा आमी पूर्ण गांवभर भोंवन श्री कृष्णाची मुर्ती फिरयता आनी घरान वचोन झांज, ढोल, ताशे सगळे मेळोन जी पारंपारीक गितां आसा ती म्हणटा आनी नाचता. अशे दीसभर मेळोन आमी सादारण 200-300 घरां कवर करता आनी जशी पारंपारीक विधी आहा ती पूर्ण करता.
We end this bulletin with the clippings from the recently held concert titled Fusion for Peace. Enjoy the music. We hope you enjoyed that. We'll be back with more news and analysis from the news desk of Goa 365. Until then, goodbye.